Hey, this is Scott from Ekena Millwork. Today I'm going to walk you through some of our manufacturing and distribution facilities here in Texas. All of this is possible because of amazing customers and an organic, grassroots, intentional growth that we've had over the years. Many of our employees have been with us from the very beginning, and that is what makes us so strong. We all love what we do, and we make it our mission to work hard, to change and grow every single day. And that truly is our secret sauce. It's what helps us be innovators in this industry. What you're about to see is just a glimpse of who we are and what we do. We are a manufacturing and distribution company, but most importantly, we are a company with the goal of serving our customers by launching thousands of new products every single year. So enjoy the tour and do not hesitate to give us a call if you have any questions. Let's go for a ride. This is Division 5. This is our largest division here in Clarksville. We do two things here. We manufacture product and we distribute large product. This is our primary PVC manufacturing area. On the left over here, you can see 16 PVC CNC machines. We're cutting out components, brackets, portals, shutters, gable beds, lots of different things. Once it comes off of the CNCs, it goes over here where our team members hand assemble, hand nail through whatever needs to be done. It goes through a sanding process, then our final quality control process before it goes out to your store. This is our PVC shutter area. We manufacture a whole line of PVC shutters. I mean, same characteristics of your PVC, trim boards, all that good stuff. It's rot-free, it's insect-resistant, it's paintable, it's a smooth, really nice wood-like surface. Great product. We have multiple styles. We do board vet, we do louver, we do mixed louver. We have a panel shutter that looks really nice, raised and recessed. We have 26 custom colors that we do. Quite honestly, if your team has a color they want to do, throw it our way, we'll figure it out. We'll figure out how to do it. We do all the cleanup work here, all the finish work here. We do any size you need. So we have standard sizes available that are on our website, listed on our website. But if you have a custom application, you need a custom width, custom height, custom arch, we can do any size needed for the job. This is another manufacturing area within Division 5. We do three things here. We manufacture crossheads, we manufacture gable vents, and we manufacture faux, wood, board and vet shutters. So when we manufacture our crossheads, we make them to order. So if you have a customer that needs them by the ½ inch, we will make them to the exact dimension they need. So as you see, every one 114 inches, 125 inches, 132 inches, they are made to your customer's specific order. So we're here in Division 7. One of our largest product categories that we have is our rustic timber line. So a rustic timber line is western red cedar, Doug fir. It's rough, smooth. So this area right here is where we inventory all of our rough material for that product line. It's a 75,000 square foot building. At any given time, we have about 20 truckloads of material here. The goal here is to have as much as we need to not run out, to make sure we can take care of every order for every customer. When it comes to what we inventory, we have everything from 1x4, 1x2, all the way up to giant 8x12 timbers. We're here at Division 3. This is one of our rustic manufacturing areas. So this is where we take raw cedar, Doug fir. You see the timbers behind me. We send it through, we cut it, we shape it, we plane it, we do all the rough work over here. Then we move this direction And over here is where we do all the assembly. So we assemble all of our brackets, our large gable brackets, small corbels. We do all the assembly, all the finish sanding, all the packaging. We also build all of our custom gable vents right here too. We do custom gable vents in cedar, pine, and we have a line of PVC box vents. We're here in a new division. This is our new division 8. A couple years ago, we launched a PVC fretwork panel, which is similar to this. It allows you to do a really highly decorative panel work on walls with a pretty simple installation. Took off so well in PVC. We had a lot of requests. A lot of people wanted it done in hardwood, so we do now in maple, cherry, walnut, oak, hickory, lots of different species. But we do highly ornate fretwork panels in small designs up to larger designs. We have 4 brand new machines here in the background. We're working on setting them up and getting them running so we can launch this line even bigger. So we're here in Division 7. This is our beam manufacture, beam and mantles actually. So the beam process is pretty cool. We're a little unique in how we do it. We start out with large sheet goods of product, so 24 inches wide by 24 feet long. We cut the product to length, we rip it to width, and then we shape all the corners over there. At that point, we go into assembly, where we actually put the beams together. We go through shaping all the corners. We fill the corners with a high quality urethane glue. We hand shape all the corners. We do some sanding if we need to finesse some of the different textures together. We do that. Comes in here, goes through the painting process. We have 3 different levels. We have a base coat of paint that we do. We also have a base coat plus glaze. And then we have a premium gel stain that we do that gives a really high quality, true like a wood finish. It's beautiful. From there, it goes on drying rack. Right now it's a little chilly, so it's all under heat. And then we go into the boxing process where our team that manufactures the beams, they're the ones putting bubble wrap, putting a double thickness cardboard around it, putting 1x3 on all the ends. So these boxes, when they go out of here, they do not get damaged. We have a very almost no damage rate on our beams going out the door, going through carriers, getting to your customers in one piece. A distribution area that focuses on large oversized items like large gable vents, big old niches, large ceiling domes, big ceiling medallions, big brackets. So we're here at Division 6. This is one of our largest distribution only facilities. It's about 100,000 square feet. We do everything from large steel, stainless steel brackets in multiple colors, large faux stone paneling. We do coffered ceilings. We have wall panels. We have large crown. We just have a ton of stuff here, as you can see, rack after rack after rack. Here we are at Division 4. So in Division 4, we inventory all of our smaller moldings, so our casing, our base, we have some smaller crowns here, a lot of our panel molds, some chair rail, but we just have rack after rack of inventoried items here. This is another section of the new Division 8 that we were just talking about. New venture here. Basically what we're going to do here is bring in 1,300 plus stock vinyl shutters in multiple designs, in multiple colors. But the cool thing about it, the product will be available on the floor, ready to ship to any dealer within 24 hours. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to tour the manufacturing and distribution facilities with me. As you saw, we make a ton of different products, really out of anything we can get our hands on. We want to be that solution for really difficult projects. So what projects can we help you with today?